guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a missing main navigation menu on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Shopify store here and your navigation is missing, there is a thing here that you can do to probably fix this issue. So first things first, go to shopify.com, log into your account, and access your website. Now at the left side here, you want to go to your content and you want to go to menus. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to make sure that our menu is properly set up. So first is we have our main menu. So let's go and click on it. And from here, this is where you set your menus. So for example, if you're using a menu here, like for example, you miss contact here, you could go and click on add menu item, add the name for it, and you could go and paste the URL for it. But you could also click on this one, just select one of the pages that you already created here and add the contact option here. But make sure to click on save here once you're if you're adding anything here. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and go back into your website and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, what you could do is you want to go to online store, go to themes, and you can go and click on customize. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to go to our header. Go ahead and click on your header here. And at the right side, we have our header settings. Now you want to go to your menu here and make sure that you select the proper menu for this one. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on it, click on replace here, and you want to go ahead and select the menu or the menu that you want to use. So if you're creating something new, make sure to select it in here. But once you're done, you could go ahead and go back here, click on save at the top right to save your changes, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.